Guys, Ripple and the SEC legal battle reaches critical juncture. Yesterday's meeting was a big win for XRP and also a significant milestone yet achieved by Ripple XRP. A notable XRP attorney named Fred Rispoli emphasized his earlier prognosis in a post that was published on X on July 31. This prediction would bring about a significant improvement in the ongoing legal struggle that is taking place between Ripple Labs and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. I'm almost out of opportunity to hit my 7/31 forecast for the remedies verdict. XRP, he commented. It's getting pretty early. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission recently introduced expert materials, and Ripple filed a motion to strike against them on April 29 of this existing year. This motion, which is now awaiting a decision from Judge Sarah Netburn, would be extremely significant since it has the potential to greatly impact the range of sanctions as well as the remedies that are available. In the event that Judge Sarah Netburn made a decision that was favorable to Ripple on this motion, which is it would make it possible for Judge Torres to move forward without making any further decisions regarding this subject. Recently, Rispoli, an attorney for XRP, made a hypothesis that the motion that is currently pending will not necessarily prevent a final determination on the options and penalties. Before Netburn makes a decision about the motion, it is possible that Judge Torres will give a ruling on these factors. Alex Cetino, a member of the XRP community, voiced his unwavering support for Fred Rispoli. In response, the XRP lawyer stated, "I am grateful for your support, Alex. My unfortunate situation is that I play according to the rules of the Price is Right, which means that even if the ruling is on August 1 and I was off by a day, I still went over and lost to anyone who had a forecast for August in response to a question regarding how long it will take Judge Torres to take a call. Rispoli expressed the following: I've witnessed some courts taking a whole year to make a decision. It won't take quite that long here, so don't worry about that. There is no way that it could last for more than 3 months, which would allow it to be September at the very most. Over the course of the previous few years, the lawsuit brought by the SEC against Ripple has had a substantial effect on the price of XRP. In accordance with the research that was published by Crypto News Flash, the volatility of XRP is currently at an all-time low over a period of many years, and any settlement in the instance could result in a parabolic rally in the future. According to the most recent update from CNF, the price of XRP increased to 0.65 earlier this week as a result of strong support from bulls. On the other hand, in the midst of the general market sell-off, the price of XRP has decreased by 7.5% as of the time of this publication, trading at 0.6 with a market valuation of $33.7 billion. In addition, market speculators are keeping a close eye on a meeting between the SEC and Ripple that is scheduled to take place on August 1, but has not yet been confirmed. A number of people are of the opinion that this conference might result in a settlement of the XRP litigation. The Securities and Exchange Commission recently withdrew its attempt to classify tokens such as Solana, Cardano, and Polygon as securities, as reported by Crypto News Flash. This move was a retreat in the SEC's ongoing legal struggle against Binance. At the SEC meeting on August 1st, XRP investors are hoping for regulatory clarification. On August 1, the SEC hearing will take place, and XRP Army will also be waiting for Judge Torres' next ruling. This week might see a ruling in the Ripple lawsuit from the SEC. In the thick of lawless market frenzy, 8% is the increase in the price of XRP. The much anticipated SEC closed-door meeting last week, purportedly regarding a potential settlement with Ripple, failed to deliver any substantial information on the subject, dampening enthusiasm. The XRP Army, however, is now focusing on the next August 1 closed-door SEC conference. Injunctive action, filing and resolution, administrative procedures, and continuing legal issues, and a host of other topics will be on the agenda for the first meeting in August, just as they were at the last conference. Meanwhile, there have been reports on X suggesting that Judge Analisa Torres is urging a decision to be made this week over the long-running court issue between Ripple and the SEC. Despite the low likelihood, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has stated that a definitive court decision is on the horizon. Ripple Expo and the SEX case might be settled soon. The nearly 4-year case reportedly has a judge named Analisa Torres who is about to release the final ruling that will terminate it. Ripple became the SEC's punching bag in the action that started in December 2020. The cryptocurrency company was accused of violating U.S. securities regulations through the issuance of XRP due to the case's potential impact on industry regulation and legal reach. The Bitcoin market has been closely monitoring its development. Today, it's time to judge. Torres is now thinking about the final choices that will be made, approximately the huge legal action, which has caught our attention. Thus, this bodes well for the market as a whole, suggesting that the U.S. government's stance on Ripple and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole may finally be defined. With XRP's recent designation as a security, Ripple did have some success last year. This win may have been partial, but it did not absolve the corporation of all accountability. The ultimate decision will determine all of the fines that the company will have to pay. The lawsuit could be postponed if the Securities and Exchange Commission decides to appeal. The official schedule remains undisclosed. However, the choice can be made in the following 4 weeks. Furthermore, it would be convenient if a final verdict could be issued at this time. An impending shakeup at the SEC may be in the works depending on how the U.S. presidential election plays out. XRP and Ripple are well positioned for future success. As a result of the conflict, Odile and several other Ripple services have experienced slowdowns. As a result of the decision, the company may find it less difficult to approach other potential business associates. Some exchanges delisted XRP due to the continuing legal battle. Reestablishing the value of XRP is possible pending a favorable ruling. This will allow it to access more funds. It is expected that the final verdict would significantly impact XRP's performance. As mentioned before, XRP has been following a long-term wedge pattern in its trading. The XRP community and the cryptocurrency market are closely watching the ongoing dispute between Ripple and the SEC. The core of the prosecution's case is the claim that Ripple sold XRP tokens, which are unregistered securities. We may anticipate the court's decision any day now, and it might significantly alter market dynamics and the price of XRP. The court's ruling regarding Ripple's punishment for selling unregistered securities remains a focal point while the action against the SEC progresses. A proposed $2 billion penalty for XRP's sales to financial institutions has been put forward by the Securities and Exchange Commission in an injunction. The SEC's continuing legal difficulties continue to be the subject of numerous speculations, rumors, and unsolved questions. The earlier deadline for the case's resolution was July of this year. Coincidentally, it is also the 1-year anniversary of the previous ruling that XRP is not a security. However, this was not the case. And as a result, market projections on the case's imminent resolution have changed for the worse. Be advised that the data shown here should not be construed as a trading recommendation. You should not put your money into anything that relies on the data presented here. It is highly recommended that you consult an expert and do your own research before making any investing decisions.